Hello everyone! It's not Lindsey today, unfortunately. It's Sandra from Germany, and today I'll be showing you how I did for Gratitude Documented Day 20 new song, and I'm creating a page similar to this one, so keep on watching. So what I did to prepare for Gratitude Documented, I went on Google search and searched for acorn clip art. So I found these two, and what I did, I just roughly scratched a pencil over the surface, and then I traced it onto some pattern paper that I have, because I don't have the kit, I just have the one printable. So I did what my friend Tanya says, I rock what I got. So here are some examples. So I paper pieced them together to create some cute acorns, and for today I created this one with some sheets of music, and this is what we're working with. So to start off, I'm going to attach this with some sticky adhesive. So I attached this this new song to a vintage guitar string wrapper, I guess. So this is from Ernie Ball. No ad. All right. So what I did for most of my entries is I layered the flashcard with something else, so with a paper, and now I'm adding this transparent, I don't know, sheet of paper, which has a quite unique texture. So it's like washi paper, I guess. It's Japanese paper in Germany, so I don't know, I guess it's kind of like washi paper, and I'm adding a layer to this. Now, the verse I'm working is Revelations 5 verse 9, and it's about the living creatures that are in front of the 24 elders, and they bow down before the Lamb. Each one had a harp and a golden bowl filled with the incense, which are the prayers of the saints, and they sang a new song. And so it goes on telling about the new song that they sang, and I'm a musician myself, so I can relate to this. So I love to worship, sing new songs to the Lord, and be inspired by His presence. So what I do, I'm going to attach this, but not all the way, because I know myself, maybe I want to tuck something else underneath, and I love the keys, so I won't be covering them up, but I want to see how to get the verse as well. So I think right about here. I'm very indecisive, so you see me fuss with some things. I went ahead and did a little preparation for the top of the acorn. So I have different leaves, some with music paper, and one of the printables I was filling with them a lot but I decided on this plus some more orange leaves, and I will attach them as well to the top of my acorn. Just a little bit of adhesive, and then I'm attaching this right here, I guess. Yeah, just go for it, right? No need to fuss. And now I have these leaves are printed on sticker paper, just regular white sticker paper, and I'm scattering them around. So I would like to know how you are doing, if you're doing Gratitude Documented. How are you doing this right now? Are you journaling in your Bible? Are you journaling in the Traveler's Notebooks, or some, I think, do the memory decks cards? So leave a comment. I would love to see them. I'm always in the comment section of Lindsey's videos searching for the love that is spread there, because I think it's so great. This community is so wholesome, no drama involved. So I have these notes, I guess they're called, I don't know. In Germany it's Noten, so that's why I call them this. They are plotted. A friend of mine sent it to me a long time ago, so I will use them and you know, play with the placement where I want each of them, and I have them in different sizes, so I don't know. And what I also want to include is this silhouette, and I was thinking about putting it right here, so it looks like it's sealing. This is a sticker, and I covered it with some ink, so I have inky hands right now. Great. Okay, I just peeled it up again because I don't like the messy marks that I created with the dry ink, because this one is from the sticker book, and originally it was a silhouette made out of leaves, and I didn't like that for this page, so I covered it with some ink, and it was still drying. So, you know, here you can see it. It's just like this one, but I made it black so it fit more with this theme. All right, so now I guess I will try to tear just around. I'm embracing the messiness that I created, so I think it stretches. Okay, now just commit to it. Glue it down. All right, now onto those. Should have looked up this before. right, so now we just have to put a date stamp on this. So I hope you like this page. I think it was so much fun and a little bit nerve-wracking to do this with you together, but yeah, I'm so thankful for this opportunity, and I hope Lindsey will get well very soon, she and her family, and I wish you all a very blessed day and rest of gratitude documented. So go nuts, and maybe you want to recreate these little nuts, and I would be happy if you tag me if you recreate this, and yeah, have a blessed day.